Hello, I'm Natasha Ho. Welcome to The Dish. Today I want to share a 2-minute tip with you guys about the ingredient, turmeric. And turmeric is one that I hear from people frequently like, I don't work with turmeric. I want to understand how to use this in the kitchen more. So that's what I want to chat with you about today is how to use turmeric in your kitchen more frequently. So first, what does turmeric taste like? It has a very earthy and woodsy kind of taste to it. It also has a lot of bitterness, as well as a little bit of a pungent flavor to it as well, pungent like spiciness to it as well. There's a little note of that. So that's what to understand about its flavor. And if you are going to be using this as like the star flavor in a dish, or it's going to be a prominent flavor, you don't want to overdo it because of that bitterness. So you want to make sure to have a light hand with the turmeric if you're not going to be layering it with a lot of other flavors, because that bitterness can really stand out. But if you are going to be layering with other flavors, it pairs so beautifully in blends. It's like the glue that kind of holds together a lot of flavors. You'll see this in like niter, which is a Ethiopian spice blend, or if you go into Morocco or to Indian food, other South Asian food, you'll find that turmeric goes really well in blends with other warming spices. So you're thinking like cumin and coriander and cardamom, all those other warm flavors, nutmeg, cinnamon. Turmeric pairs really nicely with those. So if you're trying to figure out how to use turmeric more, it goes really nicely as a pair in those blends of spices. So you don't necessarily have to use it on its own. You can use it to complement those other things. And so the two different ways you can kind of think about it is it can go really well with those warming spices. It goes really well with pungent flavors, so like pepper and garlic and ginger, or you can pair it really nicely with other citrusy flavors, so like the coriander and the cardamom. And you can also use things that are ingredients that have those flavors, so like lemon and turmeric, or chilies and turmeric, because when you pair together similar flavors, they can play off of each other really, really well. So those are some ways that you can work with turmeric in your kitchen as a starting point. And then as you progress, you can find new ways to improvise with using this wonderful ingredient that has so many versatile ways it can be incorporated into the menu in your kitchen. I'll see you next time. Bye.